Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that there is good amount of selling pressure on gold. Gold is finally trading far below 5,000 level because 5,000 was acting as a magnet. Sometimes gold was trading above 5,000, sometimes gold was trading below 5,000, but more or less it was acting as a magnet, because of which we were not getting a clear direction on the chart of gold. But now we can see that gold is trading around 4900 while recording the video, and gold made a low of 4859. This is the low made by the market, and just from the candles we can clearly see that the selling pressure is there in the market. So if you have any ongoing sell on gold right now, you can hold your sell position. And if you're looking for some fresh position in the market, yes, it will be better for you to look for sell around the resistances. So here the next resistance on the chart of gold is around 4925 to 4935. So during the day, if you see market hitting the level, observe the market. If market shows prices action from above, we can look for a sell position. Initially try to target around $10. If you see that selling pressure is intense, then you can continue, okay, because gold has been really crazy. So around 4925 4935 we can look for a sell position, okay. But one thing we need to keep in mind is that, okay, gold has been very crazy, isn't it? If gold crosses 4950, then things will be difficult for us again, because right now we can clearly see the structure of the market is bearish. And if you are not sure why gold is going down, okay, then you must not be a member of a free telegram community, because I have already uploaded, okay. The reason behind this weakness on gold is that market is more or less optimistic about the discussion between USA and Iran. There is also a discussion between Russia and Ukraine as well. So whenever, okay, there is a optimism, okay, then gold usually softens. Why? Because whenever there is a global crisis, okay, we see gold going up. When the situation between USA and Iran intensified, gold was flying. When the war between Russia and Ukraine broke out, gold was flying, because whenever there's a global crisis, gold goes up. And whenever the crisis, okay, subsides, we see gold going down. And at this moment, market is more or less expecting good results, good outcome from the discussion between Ukraine and Russia, and on the other hand, USA and Iran. Okay. So if market reverses from here, we can look for a sell position. But as I said, as we all know, gold is crazy. But if gold crosses 4950, then gold will be like this again, and we don't want that, isn't it? As a day trader, okay, if you see that gold is facing some resistance around 5000, we can look for a sell position around 5000 as well. Okay, so the first selling opportunity will be around 4925 4935. If market goes up later on, okay, because the selling opportunity will be once only, one level, one opportunity, okay. Later on, if you see the market has crossed 4950, market is going up, then the market will be messed again. Then we can look for a sell around 5000 area if market shows prices action from below, sorry, price from above. Now you can see the market is trying to recover, okay. So here I don't think so, okay, we should be doing anything, okay. If you got any strategy, if you have any strategy here, or if you follow something or any indicator, if you want to take a position here, it's up to you. But I personally feel that we can look for a sell position below 4855. Yeah, if market breaks 4855 during the day, we can look for a sell. But as I always say, my dear friends, before any breakout or breakdown, consolidation is important. After some consolidation, if market drops, then as a day trader or scalper, we can look for a sell position around 4855. Where is the next buying opportunity, if you are wondering? Then my dear friend, on the chart of gold, we do not have any immediate buy, because This is the hourly chart. You can see the next immediate buy is around 4680. So if you are looking for a weekly buy position, if you deal with physical gold or if you're a swing trader, in that case, okay, this is the level around 4700 4680. We can look for a buy, but otherwise there is a possibility that in the next 1 or 2 days market may go down. Okay, so right now though gold is facing, not facing, okay, taking some support around 4860 area, but there is a high chance that market will go down. If that happens, we can look for a sell below it, as we have already discussed. But overall there is a possibility that the selling pressure may remain on the chart of gold. But if gold crosses 4950, everything will be messed up again. And gold is expert in ruining plans, isn't it? Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.